Okay, now let's do Gordon growth. So the first thing to do is to get the denominator for Gordon growth, the I minus G. So we already have the capital asset pricing model, which was 9%, and now we subtract out the perpetuity growth rates for the earnings per share. So 9% minus 1 is 8, minus 2 is 7, minus 3 is 6. We have the expected return on the market, which is 8%. 8% minus 1% is 7, minus 2 is 6, minus 3 is 5. And then lastly, using the weighted average cost of capital of 7% minus the 1%, you get 6, minus 2, 5, minus 3, 4%. So now basically we have the denominators to be able to divide up into the earnings per share of $4.76 for 2016, and we can get the valuations. So 0.08 or 8% divided by the 4.78, we get $59.75. $4.78 divided by 7% is $68.29, divided by 6% is $79.70 for the expected return on the market. $4.78 divided by 7% is $68.29, by 6 is $79.70, by 5, $95.60. Now the last is the WACC. $4.78 divided by 6% is $79.70, by 5%, $95.60, and by 4%, $119.50. Now what you do is you take those values and you plug them into the intrinsic valuation matrix. You have the discount rates here, and you have the growth rates along the top. We're going to do 1%, 2%, and 3%. There's really no way that Wells Fargo's earnings per share can grow at 2 or 3% into perpetuity, but we put those in to give us some idea of the potential upside that the stock could actually run if they had some growth spurts. So that's all I did was plug in the 59.75 over here, put it in over here under the 1% CAPM scenario, the 68.29, the 79.20. Actually, I have 79.70, but we'll fix that. And then 68.29, 79.70, 59.60, and 79.70, 59.60, and 119.50. So I now have the valuation metrics set up for Gordon growth. The research team decided that they wanted to use the capital asset pricing model as the discount rate and the 1% earnings perpetuity growth rate as the scenario to be able to determine the intrinsic value. So now we have the intrinsic value not only for Gordon growth but also for perpetuity. So let's do the multiple real quick.